Hello and welcome back to the Swansway Motor Group YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be diving into the world of EVs, in particular showing the difference between AC and DC charging. So if you're ready to charge up your knowledge, hit that like button and let's get started. First up, we have AC charging. Now AC stands for alternating current, and it's a type of electricity that we normally find in our homes, and it's commonly used in level 1 and level 2 type charging stations. When you plug your EV into an AC charging station, the electricity flows in both directions, constantly changing. It's almost like a dance moving backwards and forwards. This is perfect for overnight charging at home or at the office. Now let's talk about DC charging. DC stands for direct current, and DC charging is a speed demon of the charging world. It's a technology behind those high-tech charging stations that you see on the highway. Unlike AC charging, with DC charging, the electricity only flows in one direction. It's like a straight arrow, and this makes for much faster charging speeds. In fact, this is the best solution if you want to make a quick pit stop to get back out on the road. So where can you find these charging stations? Well, AC charging stations are everywhere. From your home, your office, shopping malls, AC charging stations really are the backbone of the charging world. As for DC charging stations, well, they're strategically placed along highways for when you need it most. Think about it this way: AC charging stations are your daily routine, whereas DC charging stations, well, you'll need to use them for a quick boost when you go on a long road trip. Now that we've covered some of the basics, what are the pros and cons of both charging types? Well, with AC charging, it's convenient, it's widely available, and you can charge overnight. However, it does take up a lot of time. Whereas DC charging, well, it's lightning fast, but not so widely available. It's all about finding the perfect balance to suit your lifestyle. So then, I hope that this video has given you a better insight into AC and DC charging. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely charge overnight or you're after a quick zap on the highway to keep you going, the charging world has you covered. And with an ever-growing EV infrastructure, well, it just makes sense. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay charged up.